You've set up your shopping campaign and you're ready for your products to show across Google. But there are some instances where your ads may not show to potential customers. In this video, you'll learn how to work through troubleshooting both setup and policy issues to get your ads online so you can get back to growing your business. One of the most common reasons your ads can stop serving is if your products don't comply with shopping policy. These policies are designed to protect anyone that clicks on your ad, making your ads more trustworthy. This will help potential customers have a better experience with your store. You can check for policy issues in your Merchant Center account under Diagnostics. There are two types of warnings, one for your entire account and one for certain items in your feed. You can see account policy warnings under the Account Issues section. Account-level warnings usually occur when the information on your landing page isn't in line with shopping ads policy. Let's go over 5 of the most common account-level issues. Number 1, your landing page must be accessible to shoppers in any location. For example, if a user in Canada gets a 404 error, you'll need to fix your landing page to make sure your ads are approved. Number 2, if the price shown on your ad doesn't match the price on your website, you'll get a warning to fix this information. This includes tax and shipping costs too. Number 3, in order to provide a safer shopping experience, you'll need to have terms and conditions and contact information on your site. Adding this information to the footer of your website is a great way to make sure that it's readily available. Number 4, landing pages must also include a transparent return and refund policy before checkout. It's okay if your store doesn't allow returns or refunds, as long as it's clearly stated. A convenient place for this information is in your website footer as well. Number 5, it must be possible for shoppers to complete a purchase of a physical product and get the product shipped to a physical address. This means that if you sell a service or a subscription, shopping ads aren't the best fit for you. If you do sell physical goods and are seeing a warning, test out your checkout process to make sure people can purchase a product on your site. Don't be alarmed if you get an account-level warning. Once you address the issue, the warnings should go away. The second type of issue is an item-level disapproval. These appear under the Item Issues section. One common item-level disapproval is an image overlay violation. This means the image includes a watermark or promotional element. Remove the overlay and resubmit your image to resolve the issue. If you notice a warning in your account, you have either 7 or 28 days to fix the issue. Your account will be reviewed again after the deadline. If this review fails, either your items will be disapproved or your account will be suspended, meaning your shopping ads won't show. Don't worry, you'll always get a warning ahead of time so you can solve the issue before this happens. If the review passes, the warning will be lifted from the account and your products will continue to serve as usual. If you don't have any account or item issues but your ads still aren't serving, there are 2 areas you can check: the quality of your feed and your shopping campaign strategy in Google Ads. First, make sure to include as much high-quality information in your feed as possible. Second, check the competitive positioning of your ads. If your competitors are bidding more, they could be bidding you out of the auction, and your ads might not show as often. This was an overview of how to resolve some of the most common issues that you could encounter. Now that you know how to troubleshoot your shopping campaigns, you're on your way to drive more sales with Google. Be sure to visit Google Merchant Center Help for a full list of policies and best practices. Thanks for tuning in. For more videos on Google Ads strategies, check out our full collection of Google Ads tutorials.